record this part. Okay, so I forgot to record the whole stream. Like shit, man. Alright, this is the sound test of an RK100. Lubed, Gateron Milky yellows, memory case foam, tempest mod, and PBT white, black or white or I don't know. I don't know lah. Alright, let's do this. Hold on. Display. Alright, let's put this. It's a bit blurry, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Feeling good. Like I should. Alright. Alright, mate. Let's do this. This is a RK100 Lubed Gateron Milky yellows. Memory case foam, tempest mod, and PBT keycaps. PBT DyeSub. With new steps. Ainy Holy Panda new Lubed steps. Okay. Enjoy. Wait, hold on. Alright. Is it? Does it sound nice? I need to hear it on. I felt like that was very nice. I mean, let me see. Yeah, wait. Oh, okay. Sorry, there's echo. So there was do you know change keyboard yet? What do you mean? How long have you been trained? How long have you been trained? This is my client's board. Let's go. Wow, she's gang. Oh man, congrats. That's amazing, Ainy. Whoa, thanks. I thought oh no, not yet. Not yet. Yeah, not yet. Yeah, man, that sounds very nice though. Hey. Pretty fucking nice, eh? Nisha, what do you think? Rate it out of 10. This is a very nice board. Look at this. Yeah, I'm getting these keycaps. I'm getting these keycaps soon. I'm not gonna lie. These keycaps is very nice. Oh wait, let me turn down my filter. Yeah, I'm getting these keycaps. Yeah, super nice. Let's do another sound test. This, oh man. Oh my god. This is the nicest keyboard. What keycaps? Some PBT white on black. Signing off. Please send me the links of the keycaps. Alright, man. Alright. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for dropping here, dropping by. Man, thank you for entertaining us. Thank you for coming to my stream. Yeah. 10 out of 10 can go already. Okay. Love you, man. Okay. Good night, man. Have a good night rest. Aye, Captain. Me a captain, right? Oh my god, there was a bus. Oh, never mind. Alright, that's all for today. Oh yeah, picture. Belum. I have to do the chat box. I have to do the picture. Yeah, done already. Oh wait, no, this. Don't Alright, let's take a picture. Yep, we are done here. Alright, let's go. Wait, hold on. Let's go higher. Sunlight. Right. Alright, I think. Yep, alright. Oh! Why is there a screw? There's a screw that dropped. Not sure which one. I gotta check. Right, it's probably this one. Oh yeah, Anisha. Anisha, if you want better sound, you can try unscrewing all the screws or unscrewing some of the screws. That will make the board not give a like a semi gasket mount. Gasket mount without a gasket, right? But make sure you like mount a couple screws. Don't like fully unmount it. If not, the keyboard will fall down. Yo, so tight. Che. Good. 哎呦，爸你，什么今天25号？今天21号啦，bro。Alright, that's pretty much all for today. All the keys are working. This is a nice keyboard. Yeah, really nice. Oh wait, this is not. I think it's copyright. Okay, good night. Thank you for dropping by. Thank you for dropping by. Yeah, that's pretty much all for today, guys. Finish now. This is a record 2-hour stream. Thank you guys. Thank you for dropping by. That's all for today. Good night, man. Good night, guys. Yeah. Happy Mid-Autumn Day. The last 5 minutes. Wait for my keyboard. Okay. Lama, I just hop on. Man. Thanks, man. Thank you, man. Thank you for the patience, though. It was like two months. Yeah, thank you for the patience. I took too long because the shipping was a lot of time, and there was a lot of orders too. So yeah, sorry for the delay. But I hope I you know, made this keyboard sound nice. I hope I satisfy you. Yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for the stream. No, thank you guys. Thank you for coming. Yeah, I appreciate you guys for coming to my stream. Really appreciate it. Yeah. By the way, I will be affiliated and sub button will be coming soon. I'm just not sure when. I don't think I will be streaming tomorrow, but I will see. I will update on my Discord and my Instagram when I stream next stream. Maybe. Who knows? Alright, guys. Goodbye. Hold on. Let me do a good night kiss. Good night.